morning students. Today we will start our next topic. We already learned about the what is APC, what is APS, what is MPC, what is MPS. Fine. What is APC? Average propensity to consume. What is APS? Average propensity to save. What is MPC? Marginal propensity to consume. What is MPS? Marginal propensity to save. What is the formula of APC? We already seen that. See, it means denoted by the consumption. So we just find out the ratio between the consumption and income. Clear? So here APC equal to C upon Y. Already we had seen what is APC, what is the formula of APC, what is the definition of APC. So APC is the ratio of consumption expenditure compared to the analysis of the national income. What is APS? This is the saving function, fine, because that is the average propensity to save. So it is the ratio of, that is the average again. So it is the ratio of between the saving and the national income. So what is the formula of APS? APS, it means the S upon Y. Clear? So we just here find out what is the actual relationship between the APS and APC. Now the sum of the APS and APC and APS is equal to 1 always. Why it happened? You just prove it. Fine. APC plus APS equal to 1. That is we just prove it. What happened is this. We know what is the Y? Income equal to consumption plus saving. It means suppose your income will be 100 and your consumption is 80. It means you just saving among this income 20 rupees. So Y equal to C plus S. Now the dividing, this is the one function. So just dividing both sides by Y, we get Y upon Y, just dividing by Y. You already know about that. That is a proven formula in the mathematics. So Y upon Y, C upon Y, S upon Y. We just divide the both side in the equal values. ठीक है ना? जब भी हम ऐसे मैथमेटिक्स में करते हैं तो क्या इश्यू होता है? इक्वल वैल्यूज से बोथ साइड मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बोथ साइड डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो Y upon Y equal to C upon Y plus S upon Y. Now Y upon Y, it means Y cancel, it's become the 1. Now C upon Y, we already seen about what is C upon Y. Now just I told you APC equal to C upon Y. So it means this is APC. Now what is S upon Y? APS equal to S upon Y. So another name of S upon Y equal to APS. So what is the proven? APC plus APS equal to 1 always. Clear? Now the other two formulas derived by this formula. So first APC equal to 1 minus APS and another is APS equal to 1 minus APC. Derived from this formula only. Clear? This is the single formula and this is the value APC plus APS always equal to 1. ठीक है, हमने derive करके देख लिया how it is derived. Now for this formula we make two more formula is there. APC equal to 1 minus APS and APS equal to 1 minus APC. Now just find out what is the relationship between MPC and MPS. Here also MPC is the sum of MPC and MPS equal to 1 only. We just prove it with the deriving formula. We know what is delta MP. When we are talking about the marginal value, marginal always denoted by the change and change is the denoted by the delta. Fine. So here delta Y, it means change in income equal to delta C plus delta S. It means change in income equal to change in consumption expenditure plus change in saving. Now dividing both sides by delta Y only. So delta Y upon delta Y, delta C upon delta Y plus delta S upon delta Y. First delta y cut and it becomes 1. Now delta C upon delta Y, it is the MPC formula. It means MPC equal to delta C upon delta Y. It means marginal propensity to consume. It means the ratio of change in consumption expenditure in the compared to the change in the income. Clear? So this is called the MPC. So you just write down the, instead of the delta Y upon delta C upon delta Y, we just write down the MPC. Here delta S upon delta Y, it means it becomes the MPS, because what is the MPS? MPS is a marginal propensity to save, and marginal propensity to save, it means it refers to change in the saving in the compared to the change in the national income. It means instead of the delta S upon delta Y, we just write down the MPS. So it is the proven that 1 equal to MPC plus MPS. It means MPC plus MPS, it means sum of the MPC and MPS equal to 1 only. Clear? Now again we derive the two formula from this. So first MPC equal to 1 minus MPS, or another one, second one is MPS equal to 1 minus MPC. These two formula derived with the help of this formula. Clear? Now we just see the all formula about the saving, consumption, income related to all the aspects. Fine. First formula S, it means the saving. So S equal to Y minus C. How it is derived? Because Y equal to C plus S. Clear? So S equal to Y minus C. Simultaneously C equal to Y minus S. Clear? Now the second formula APC, average propensity to consume, it means C upon Y. But we already proved that APC equal to 1 minus APS also. Fine. Now third formula APS, it means S upon Y, but we just already proved APS equal to 1 minus APC also. Now fourth one MPC. MPC, it means delta Y upon delta C upon delta Y. Or we just prove that MPC equal to 1 minus MPS also. Now MPS equal to delta S upon delta Y, or another name is the MPS, it means the 1 minus MPC. These formulas are very important regarding the numericals of these chapters. We just prove all this formula. You just recognize this formula and thoroughly read this formula. In the next video or next to next video, we just solve these numericals problems also. Thank you. Have a nice day.